Have you ever wondered how the ancient Maya built their magnificent pyramids, temples, and palaces? How did they make their lime plaster so strong and resistant to weathering? Well, researchers have finally cracked the secret of this ancient construction material, and it involves a special ingredient from nature: tree bark extracts. The Maya civilization was one of the most advanced and influential cultures in Mesoamerica, spanning over 3,000 years of history. They developed sophisticated art, writing, mathematics, astronomy, and architecture. They also mastered the use of lime plaster, a mixture of lime, water, and sand that hardens when exposed to air. Lime plaster was used to cover the surfaces of buildings, sculptures, and paintings, giving them a smooth and shiny finish. But the Maya did not use ordinary lime plaster. They added something extra to make it more durable and water-resistant. What was it? The sap from the bark of local tree species such as chucum and geote. These trees are native to the tropical forests of Central America and have medicinal and cultural uses for the Maya people. Researchers from the University of California, San Diego and the Copón Maya Foundation collaborated with local Maya-descended masons at Copón in Honduras to recreate the ancient plaster-making process. Copón was a major Maya center before the Spanish colonization of Central America and has many well-preserved buildings and monuments made with lime plaster. The researchers collected samples of plaster and stucco from different periods between 540 and 850 CE and compared them with the ones they made using the traditional method. They found that the ancient and modern plasters had similar chemical and physical properties, confirming that the Maya used tree bark extracts as an additive. But how does this additive work? The researchers believe that it acts as a natural polymer that binds with the lime particles and forms a network of cross-links that strengthen the plaster. The additive also reduces the amount of water needed for slaking, which is the process of mixing lime with water to produce heat and form calcium hydroxide. This reduces the risk of cracking and shrinking of the plaster as it dries. The researchers also tested the performance of the sap-infused plaster under different environmental conditions such as humidity, temperature, and salt exposure. They found that it performed better than regular lime plaster in terms of durability and water resistance. This explains why many Maya buildings have survived for centuries despite being exposed to tropical weather and vegetation. The discovery of this ancient technique has important implications for modern construction and conservation. Lime plaster is still widely used today as a sustainable and low-cost building material, especially in developing countries. However, it suffers from some drawbacks, such as low strength, high porosity, and susceptibility to erosion. By adding natural organic additives like tree bark extracts, these problems could be solved or reduced. The researchers hope that their study will inspire more collaboration between archaeologists, engineers, chemists, and local communities to learn from the wisdom of ancient civilizations and apply it to contemporary challenges. They also hope that their study will raise awareness and appreciation for the cultural heritage of the Maya people and their contributions to science and technology. So next time you see a Maya pyramid or temple, remember that it is not just a monument of stone. It is also a testament of ingenuity and innovation that can teach us valuable lessons for the future.